Hello, this is Odoo19 United States localization, but version and localization shouldn't be that much of a bigger deal. Like if you're in Canada, if you're in Australia, you can probably follow the same process. Version wise, if you're probably in version 18 or 17, these process still work. If it's older version, please do a testing. What I'm going to do right now for version 19 is that you're going to go to accounting app, configuration and settings. You're going to see the accounting import section. There's going to be import for full history. If you cannot find this, and if you're in an older version, you probably just don't have this feature. If you are for sure in 17 plus and still missing this feature, please create a support tickets. Now, to get the template first, you click on this template. You'll get a template to export it to your file, something like, I'll show you. I'll click on template. So you got a template number 2. Your template look like this. There's going to be a journal, move ID, dates. Right now, the date are old, but if you're changing 2021 to 2026 or 2025, make sure these move ID of these middle number should be following the same year. And as you can see, these 3 lines, they're using the same move ID. It means it's one journal entry with 3 lines of journal items, which is hitting 3 different accounts. In the template, the partner might not match your database, so fix it. This name is just the label. It's fine. You can type any random text you want. Account ID, because in version 19, the chart of accounts code is optional. So you might find your chart of accounts doesn't have code at all. What I did here is to just change the accounts to the name. Debit and credit, as you can see, this is one entry. So the total credit and total credit has to match. These 2, total credit and total debit, match because it's 2 same move ID. This is the same and it shows here. Now, it's either a payable or account receivable account. You will have that R1 matching number. This means that you're importing invoices, bank reconciliation all together because this is a historical data. It's done in the past. This is a template. I want to show you the file that after I cleaned up, it looked like this. After cleaned up, I changed the date and then the move ID to match my year. So 2025, all this column here. Partner, I have partner called Deco, and name, just keep it as it is. Account ID, I change everything to follow my particular database. So you should do the same. The point of these kind of import, you need to assign a matching number. So you said these account payable, it's already reconciled from this bill for the salary journal to bank. Now, these journal ID exclusively, you have to follow the journal short code. So there's MISC, SAL, and BNK, which is all in here. For your particular database, you want to check you have all this information. INV, SAL, I just created it, and then BNK. Well, this is actually BNK1, but it's probably okay. And that's fine. All right. After you have this Excel cleaned up, you cannot go to any place else to import. You have to come to configuration and import from here. Click on this tab, click on upload, and then you're uploading your file. But okay, here we have, perfect. Now the journal is mapping, journal entry, date, partner, label, account, debit, credit, matching number, test. Everything's good, import. After you import, these are gonna sit in draft. You can just click on, and you do not need to reconcile again because as long as there's matching number, it's already reconciled. All you need to do is to, all you need to do is go back to the journal entry, remove the posted filter, and just confirm the entry. The moment you confirm the entry, if you go back to the journal item and group by account, one of the account that we import for reconciliation is account payable. As you can see, there's 1616. Odoo randomly assign other number to make sure these two entry of the journal item line using accounts payable are reconciled. The only downside is you import, well, in this case, we didn't import any vendor bill or any invoices. If you do import any invoices or vendor bill, you won't be able to find it in customer invoices, but you can find in journal entry. By grouping different journals, you can see whatever that we have imported, which is we just import this one, account payable against bank, and it's fully reconciled as well. So that's a point for importing a reconciled journal item. Thank you.